Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start selling on Amazon. Now, we know something for a fact that Amazon is one of the biggest platforms in the industry right now. And if anyone wants to get the financial freedom that they've always been dreaming about and break away from the 9 to 5, then Amazon.com is the place. You can sell from anything to everything. It could be anything from electronics or international top sellers in kitchens, or obviously movies and TV shows. Anything and everything can be sold. And the beauty of this element over here is the fact that we can give you the financial freedom that you always need and give you the right information that you require to understand exactly how you need to set up and start selling on Amazon.com. And that is the reason why we're making all these amazing videos for you guys, which are available on our channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. The first thing that you need to do is head over to Amazon.com. Now, once you get over here, there's two methods of starting Amazon dropshipping. The first one is FBA, which literally translates to fulfillment by Amazon, where you let Amazon pick, pack, and ship your orders. Now, the thing over here that you have to keep in mind is the fact that the fulfillment by Amazon is a service that allows businesses to outsource order fulfillment to Amazon, basically meaning that businesses send products to Amazon fulfillment centers, and when a customer makes a purchase, they pick it, they pack it, and they ship it. And they also provide customer service, and they process returns for those orders as well. And obviously, one of the things which I always mention to individuals is that the FBA is very important, because if you're an individual that does not understand the dynamics of dropshipping, then giving that power, giving that responsibility over to Amazon gives you the financial freedom and peace of mind that everything is going to be okay, because the fulfillment Amazon can help decrease the fulfillment headache that you can do and scale your business and focus on the strategy that you need to implement to ensure that your business grows. There's 4 steps that you need to keep in mind. The first step is set up your FBA, where you create your Amazon selling account and log into the Seller Central to set up the FBA. The second is you create a product listing, and once you add the products to the Amazon catalog, you specify the FBA inventory. The step 3 is that you prepare the products, because prepare the products for a safe and secure transportation to a fulfillment center according to the Amazon packing guidelines and shipping and routing requirements. And step 4, you create a shipping plan, print the Amazon shipment ID labels, and send the shipment to the Amazon fulfillment center. And obviously, once you've done it, you can hand over the power to the FBA, and Amazon take care of everything, because your products get eligible for Amazon Prime, which is a free 2-day shipping and free shipping as well. Customers get Amazon's trusted customer service in return, and obviously, whenever they're buying something off your store, they know that Amazon is at the back of it. And if they have any issues whatsoever, they can always talk to the FBA customer support, and obviously return the products if they need to as well. Their services let businesses scale quickly, and this is one of the reasons a lot of individuals are turning to the FBA right now, because it gives a chance for individuals to set up their businesses efficiently and successfully, increasing the productivity and efficiency. The FBA storage and fulfillment fee are given over here. I'm going to add it to the description below. You can click on the link and check it out. The second method that I'm going to share with you is the Amazon Merchant Fulfillment Network. And obviously, the Merchant Fulfillment Network is known as the MFN, is Amazon's terminology for the fulfillment of merchant. It literally translates to a method of selling where sellers list the products on the Amazon stores, but manage all the storage, the shipping, and the customer support independently. And these are for individuals that understand the dropshipping mechanism, that understand the customer service, that understand exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it. These are for individuals that have a policy, that have a strategy, that have an organization, that have employees that can take care of all these elements for them. And there's various factors that you need to consider when you're choosing how to fulfill a customer's order when you sell on the Amazon stores. It can be challenging to decide how to store the inventory, pack the inventory, ship the inventory, and handle returns or refunds, all while staying on top of excellent customer service. And that is the reason why Amazon gives you the support that you require, the assistance that you need to ensure that whatever you do, whatever methodology that you pick with Amazon, you always have someone to support you, to guide you, and to assist you. And obviously, with the sellers with individual plans, sellers with professional plans are always supported with the mechanisms and obviously the systems that they're required to ensure that they can easily scale their business, develop a business that can be profitable for them. The fulfillment options with Amazon is always always available as well, because Amazon helps you send the products to the fulfillment centers. With their multi-channel fulfillment, you are always allowed to combine your online sales channels with the Amazon fulfillment center and provide fast delivery. And thanks to their fulfillment center's high volume capacity, you can sync your e-commerce apps, your websites, and other sales channels while lowering your cost and improving customer service with Prime-like delivery speeds. With MCF, you can operate your business using a single inventory source with a full shipment tracking. And obviously, once you've done every system of these, you'll be able to create a successful business for yourself. There are 7 steps that you need to keep in mind, where the first step is to create an Amazon seller account. The second is to list the products for sale and create product pages. And the third is to manage your storage space, the warehouse or fulfillment center. And obviously, the fourth is setting up your shipping templates to match your logistical capabilities for both handling time and transit time. And obviously, guys, this is one of the most important elements you have to keep in mind when you're going for the FBM or the MFN, because both of these elements over here is where you have the power, where you will be responsible for making sure that the product is safely delivered to your customer and to ensure that the time that is required to ship it is accurate and full information is being provided to the customers. And there is a regular customer service information that is being exchanged with the customer as well. You have to coordinate the picking, you have to coordinate the packing and the shipping for your old orders. And the critical part of any order processing is choosing the right package. This could be boxes, paper, or bubble mailers, or packing material such as bubble wraps or air filters. So you got to make sure that you have the correct element over here, a team that can help you scale your business to ensure that whatever product is being sold through your Amazon store is being delivered on time in a proper way. Step 6 is to handle customer service and returns in-house, because all of these elements would be taken care of by you. But the main element and the reason why individuals tend to pick FBM is because they have the team in places to ensure all of these elements are taken care of. And once all of that is done, you're good to go by step 7, because you have to consider the FBM cost and the fee. And now, considering it in comparison with the FBA, this is comparatively less because you have a lot more headache, and obviously you take care of a lot of things. And the main costs are based on various factors, which include your selling plan and referral fee. For every item sold, sellers pay Amazon a percentage of the total price, including the item price, the shipping costs, and any gift wrapping charges, or a minimum amount, whichever is greater, and how you handle the fulfillment. It is truly as simple, straightforward, easy as that, guys. And once you've done all of that, I would always mention for you to go over and check the Amazon SEO, because you got to make sure that you optimize your product listing step by step to ensure that your product is actually available for anyone who wants to buy it. Remember, guys, there is a lot of traffic, and you need to understand the search engine optimization of your product. You need to tag it properly. You need to give the right descriptions to ensure that the product is sold to the individual that requires it and is shown to the individual that requires it. And the Amazon SEO works in a few simple steps: the Amazon search box, the search filters, the search result pages, the sponsored products, and obviously the Amazon sales ranks. And you can easily optimize your Amazon listing in 7 steps: the keywords, the product images, the product titles, the product pricing, the product descriptions, the key features, and the back-end search keywords. Once you have done all of that, you will easily start listing and start selling on Amazon. It is truly as simple and straightforward as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and assist you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.